Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I read every one of them. Y'all, this is going to be a short video. I just heard something and I want to pass it on to you. And the person that I heard it from is very reliable. The House could pass a bill without the Senate. If all the Democrats vote on a bill with a stimulus check in it, all they would need is 5 Republicans to vote yes to get it passed. Then they could send it to President Trump and say, "Here, Mr. President, sign this. This will make you look real good, and it will also make us look real good." We could get checks flowing out to the people next week without Mitch McConnell, the mooch man. Y'all, this sounds really good, but there is one big drawback to this. The person that I heard it from didn't talk about this drawback. This drawback is, if this happens and Donald Trump is reelected, he will have mostly Democrats in office to work with for his next term. His life will be even a bigger living hell than it is right now. It's just something to think about. Does he really want to align itself with the House? I mean, I hope he does for getting a stimulus check out to us, but does he really want to do that for his political purposes? I don't think that's going to be helping him a bit. Sure, it will help him get reelected, but what is he facing in his next term? Y'all, it's just thoughts that I had about what I heard. It could happen, and we could definitely get a stimulus check this way. Or we could get a stimulus check from the executive order when Donald Trump signs it, if he signs it. Either way, we'd get a stimulus check. Because Mooch McConnell said himself that he don't think we're going to reach an agreement until after the election. Kind of bad news coming from the mooch man. But if that is the case, he's guaranteed to be out of office. Nancy Pelosi is guaranteed to be out of the office. So she's coming up with this plan and presenting it to Donald Trump, hoping to save her job. I don't care why they're doing it, as long as they do it, and do it fast. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think about this plan. It could help us. I mean, God knows they ain't done nothing. Oh, and one more thing. There's also a Republican, I forgot his name, but he has brought another proposal to the table. Why do they keep making these proposals? They've had a proposal for 5 months now. And it seems like every other day somebody introduced a new proposal. Get something passed now. Forget about keep making different proposals. Get something passed now for the American people. I love you all. I don't think I'll be making another video today, but y'all please go over to my other channel. I do have a video coming out over there, and well, it's already came out, so I just gotta go see it now. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments and share these videos out. Thank you. Love you all.